Good job. I think you're doing that on purpose. I think you're doing that on purpose. Yeah, that's a look of concentration. Good job. Look at how that hand moves. You got it. Move that globe. Yeah, good job. I think that's purposeful. I think that's purposeful. Good job. This is your first time playing with toys, right? Yeah. Oh my goodness, that concentration. I know your hands can do stuff. What's that? Do you want to see that? Want to spin ya? Gotta move your arm though so it doesn't get pinched. Oh, you're drooly. Let's spin you this way.